You are over the age of 60 and you are experiencing issues such as weak muscles, joint stiffness, or poor energy. What if I told you that you could regain your youthful appearance and feel more active if you simply drank 3 cups of strong tea every day? You would also be able to repair your muscular strength and improve your mobility. There is no doubt that nature already possesses the solutions. I'll also be revealing 3 muscle-building teas that older citizens all around the world are consuming in order to maintain their strength, independence, and ability to be active. Therefore, make sure you stay around until the very end because I will also tell you the optimal time to consume each tea in order to get the most out of it. Number 1. Ginger Turmeric Tea. As we become older, chronic inflammation becomes one of the most significant factors that impedes the power of our muscles. Pain in the joints, stiffness, and difficulty moving freely are all symptoms of this condition. The combination of ginger and turmeric, on the other hand, functions as a natural pain reliever and focuses on protecting the muscles. As a result of its curcumin content, turmeric has the ability to decrease inflammation and hasten the recuperation of muscles. Ginger is known to promote blood circulation, which in turn enhances the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. How to make it? Boil 1 cup of water. Include a half teaspoon of grated ginger and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder in the mixture. Allow it to simmer for a period of 5 minutes. In order to improve the body's ability to absorb it, strain it and add a little honey or black pepper. Best time to drink. In the morning, on an empty stomach, to avoid muscular stiffness and to give your muscles the energy they need for the day. Number 2. Green tea. There are more benefits of drinking green tea than weight loss. It is abundant in catechins and antioxidants, which prevent muscle cells from deteriorating and promote fat metabolism. As a result, your body is able to use fat as a source of energy rather than breaking down muscles. Green tea use has been demonstrated to improve muscle retention and reduce the likelihood of weakening in older persons, according to a number of studies. How to make it? Green tea may be steeped in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes using either 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves. Remember not to overbrew it, otherwise it will turn bitter. Best time to drink. Before going for a short stroll or stretching exercise, wait 30 minutes. Your body will be able to burn fat and stimulate your muscles with its assistance.
Number 3. Fenugreek Seed Tea. Fenugreek, which is sometimes referred to as Methi, is a potent herb that supports muscular growth and testosterone levels. And it is especially good for persons who are over the age of 60. Is testosterone the reason? In order to maintain bone health, muscle strength and energy even in women, a tiny quantity of testosterone is necessary. After the age of 60, testosterone levels begin to decrease, which results in exhaustion and weakness. Naturally, fenugreek can assist in bringing those levels back up to normal. Additionally, it regulates blood sugar, which is critically significant since elevated sugar levels lead to the loss of muscle mass. How to make it? 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds should be soaked in water for a full 24 hours. Take the water and the seeds and bring them to a boil for 5 minutes first thing in the morning. Drink while it is still warm. Best time to drink. When it was time for bedtime. During the night, it helps your muscles recover more quickly and also allows you to sleep more deeply. In addition to lowering inflammation, drinking these teas on a daily basis will stimulate the hormones that are responsible for developing muscle. However, make sure that you remember to gently exercise your muscles on a daily basis. You may try doing wall push-ups, 10 squats while sitting in a chair, or you could just stroll for 10 to 15 minutes. This mix of herbal assistance and gentle activity might help you regain your strength much more quickly than you would previously have anticipated.